While President Trump has promised to crack down on illegal immigration, Washington state Democrats are proposing many policies to protect illegals and give them a lot of services thanks to Washington taxpayers. Hey there, I'm Julie Barrett. I'm the founder of Conservative Ladies of America and Conservative Ladies of Washington, and I'm back again with another bill of the day. Washington state has filed almost 1,000 bills so far this session, and it's only week 2, day 2. We've got House Bill 1482, which aims to ensure health equity, particularly for immigrants in Washington state, regardless of their immigration status. So this would expand access to Washington's Medicaid program, which is also called AppleCare, which gives medical insurance to low-income people, people who don't otherwise have medical insurance. And this would allow illegal immigrants to have medical access to the state-funded health care thanks to the Washington state taxpayers. This bill extends financial help for purchasing qualified health and dental plans to those ineligible for federal tax credits due to immigration status. This bill would also create a committee to monitor and recommend improvements in the health coverage provided by managed care organizations, emphasizing culturally and linguistically appropriate care. The bill also has a component that would mandate an ongoing campaign to educate and assist immigrants in Washington state to access this health care, and it would also direct funding to community-based organizations. Of course, they have to update existing laws, so they're going to amend a few RCWs, Revised Code of Washington. They're going to amend these to accommodate the changes of this bill, including adjustments to the governance and operations of the Washington Health Benefit Exchange, which, by the way, you might remember I did a video of an automatic voter registration bill, which is Senate Bill 5177. And one of the things that would happen if this automatic voter registration bill is passed is people who enroll in the Washington State Health Benefits Exchange would be automatically registered to vote. Now, would they be separating out the immigrants from that bill? Among the top concerns with this bill, beyond the fact that Washington wants to provide services that would generally be for tax-paying citizens, is that you've got a lot of costs that will be associated with this. And the cost would be a burden on the taxpayers. And Washington is already facing potentially up to $16 billion in deficit. So where are they going to come up with the money to fund this program? Now, I know a lot of my Washington friends and a lot of our Washington viewers are very hopeful that the Trump administration will come in and help with some of these issues that Washington state is implementing. We know that Washington state is a sanctuary state for illegal immigrants. And so they're continuing to expand on what they're going to offer as a sanctuary state. I want to have hope for you all in Washington that the Trump administration will bring the crackdown and will address some of these issues. I kind of tend to think that they're going to go to states that are cooperative first. That's kind of the low-hanging fruit for them. But this is going to be a problem because it's not just Washington. We see other sanctuary states like California, New York, Michigan. We've heard about Chicago that are really pushing back against the Trump agenda. So it's going to be interesting to see how this moves forward, the immigration issue as a whole, but also this bill, House Bill 1482, and to see if this makes any headway in the legislature. I'm going to have the bill linked below the video so that you can go and read it for yourself, check it out, see what it's all about, and that you can take action on this. I will have in the information below a way that you can go and comment on this bill and send a message to your legislator if you would like. You can also check it out on our Legislative Action Center and track it there so you can see where it is in the legislative process. This bill may or may not get a hearing, but considering all of the garbage bills that the Democrats have been dropping in Washington and how quickly they are moving along in the session, with it only being week 2, day 2, I think this has a pretty good chance of getting a hearing. So thanks for watching. Please be sure that you share this video with other concerned citizens, especially those in Washington state, so that other people can engage and take action and speak up and make their voices heard against this kind of policy.